Okay, look how beautiful this is. Okay, I ended up, instead of doing just not, depends how comfortable you are with dissecting. Sometimes doing that anterior, posterior slit and then peeling it back. I just decided to go around the side and peel both skin. So see how the skin comes off? And the muscle layer off in one piece. It's a little tidier. I've done a lot of frog dissections, so I can get away with this. And you never know what you have, is it male or female, until you open it up. And so this one right off, I got, wow, lots going on here. But I see over here to the side all these black, kind of granular, almost peppered looking. Well, those are eggs inside the ovary. Okay, so this is, ta-da, a female. And we didn't know until we opened it up which one it was. All right, so you see that I did have to cut the sternum off so that I could see the heart. The heart is enclosed in a pericardial membrane, and I'm going to open that up so that I can tell the difference between the ventricle and the atrium. This is a 3-chambered heart, so I should be able to see all that. But just looking here, I have some nice liver. Okay, this is kind of exciting because this is the stomach, and it looks to me like this bullfrog had a big old huge meal before he passed away. And so I'm going to cut open that stomach and we're going to look inside to see what did it eat. It's huge. But that's kind of one of the things that makes bullfrogs a pest, is that they eat everything. Mammals, other frogs, hopefully lots of insects. So we won't know until we open it up to see what his last meal was. Okay, and then I see intestine. And what else do I see? Well, I do see these orange structures here, kind of finger-like structures. And I see a little bit peeking out over here. That's fat. So that's fat bodies. So not always is it that the biggest frog is the best one to dissect. Don't be afraid to dissect a small frog, because they're going to have all the internal anatomies, and sometimes your big frog is just full of fat. Other times your big frog is, well, full of lunch. And other times it's full of ovaries. You just never know until you cut it open and see what's inside. So I'm going to remove the pericardial membrane and then just kind of start pulling things apart, and then we'll do another tour. And then we'll do a tour of the mouth as well.